Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AdoreDonnie. If you want to see how I create this makeup look, then keep on watching. So first we're going to start off with moisturizing our lips and our face. So for foundation, I use Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo Foundation and Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. The main reason why I mix them is because the Lock It Tattoo Foundation is too orange for my skin tone, so I mixed them to get like a very close foundation for my skin tone. And I always use Real Techniques Beauty Blender to apply my foundation. I always just feel like that it gives me a better finish when I use a beauty blender instead of a foundation brush to apply my foundation.
Say it's your fault and put the blame on you. Oh, but I know you so well. You probably gon' scream my calls, block my number. You play defense so well. It's getting way too hard to stay involved.
So now let's get into these eyebrows. I'm using Milani Stay Put Dipbrow to fill in my eyebrows. How I do my eyebrows, like right now, they need to be done, like they need to be shaped up, but I couldn't find my my brow, what's it called, like tweezers or whatever, to shape them up. So I'm just working with what I got. But I love how I do my eyebrows. Like how I do my eyebrows is definitely different from how everybody else do their eyebrows. Like a lot of people do their makeup period different from everybody else, but I like my eyebrows to look natural instead of just like, oh, she drew her eyebrows on, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And so now I'm concealing my eyebrows with Maybelline concealer. I would have all the details in my description of like all the products that I use. So if I do not say the specific name of what I am using, it will be in the description.
Just stun on me, you gon' try to change me, then change up on me. I'm not just somebody, I think we both can.
So now I'm just concealing and highlighting the areas that I want to highlight, which is like my forehead, bridge my nose, under my eyes, my chin. Now I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender, which is also from Real Techniques.
It's still getting way too hard to stay involved when I'm pursuing you. Split personalities got me feeling like it might be to you. When I'm pursuing you, split personalities got me feeling like it might be to you. You better decide, girl, cause you can't have your cake and eat it too. You got me confused. You better decide, girl, cause you can't have your cake and eat it too. You got me confused. I think I'm having trouble letting go of you, trouble moving on, acting like I don't notice you, makes me want more of you. I've been going through phases.
Now I'm using Milani's loose setting powder to set the concealer. I know you guys are like, okay girl, your eyebrows is gonna be ashy, but just wait until the end because it all comes together and I will show you guys how I make them not look like that. I don't know why I set my eyebrows like that, but I just do it. It just comes together, you guys. And I wait to set my under eye until after I get done doing my not my eyebrows, my eyeshadow. And I know like you're probably thinking like, why don't you just do your eyes first and then do your face? I don't know why, but I just love to do my face first and then do my eyes and then finish the whole thing together. Anyways, as you can see, we're going to do my eyes using the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette, and we're going to start off with the orange color. I don't know the exact name of it because I don't have the palette right in front of me, but yeah, we're going to start off with that color. And I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid. That's basically just my base color. Now we're going to take the orangey brownish color, we're going to put that in the crease.
It's lonely, I'm not too proud to admit it. You're the only one I'm missing. Erasing the memories, it's too hard to forget. Look back at the pictures, you completed my image. We had oh so much potential, but you just boost me up, then leave me hanging off a cliff. And I slowly lose my grip. I slowly lose my grip and find myself falling in love with you again. But hey,
okay, now I'm going to take the darkest shade in the palette. I'm going to put that on the outer lid and outer crease.
I showed up. I probably had just a little too much to drink. Yeah, that's okay. I'm just gonna say everything I'm thinking. It's been way too long. I'm losing all this precious time. This relationship was my religion. Spending evenings on my knees, and Jesus knows you crossed my mind. That relationship was my religion.
And now I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. That way we don't have any harsh lines in our eyeshadow.
Evenings on my knees, and Jesus knows you crossed my mind. That relationship was my religion.
Now I'm just going to take the second to the lightest shade in the palette and put that on my inner mid lid. And this is going to be like the base for my glitter eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take SINFUL's color Metallic Cream eyeshadow. This is the shades Enchanting and Glamorous. And I'm just putting that exactly where I put my base color from the Naked Petite Heat palette. Now you don't need to use a brush, like you can just use the applicator that comes with it, but I think it goes on smoother when I just use a flat brush to put it on.
You probably gon' scream.
Now the reason why I love this is because it is so much easier than doing a cut crease with concealer and then putting glitter on top of the concealer, when you kind of get the same results. Even though the glitter will probably pop out more because it's actually glitter, but this works too.
When I'm pursuing you.
So right here, all I'm doing is blending it out more and adding more of the darker shade if I need to.
Girl, 'cause you can't have your cake and eat it too.
Now I'm just adding the lightest shade to my tear ducts.
Girl, 'cause you can't have your cake and eat it too. You got me confused. You got me confused.
Then we're going to take the the orange color and the orangey brownish color, and we're going to put that on our lower lids.
I see you out with your.
And now we're just going to take the second and the third lightest colors and blend it out at the top. I didn't feel like highlighting my eyebrows because my eyebrows need to be done. I didn't want to bring attention to them, so I just used, those two colors. And here's why I did not set my under eyes earlier, because I'm basically cleaning up any fallout and cleaning up my eyeshadow.
It's still getting way too hard to stay involved when I'm pursuing you. Split personalities got me feeling like it might be two of you. When I'm pursuing you, split personalities got me feeling like it might be two of you.
As you can see, I really love this palette. This is the NYX Go-To Wanderlust palette, and I always contour with this palette, you guys, like always. So personally, I think I got, you know, somewhat big forehead, so gotta make that look a little bit smaller. Oh yeah, I forgot to say this earlier, but when I put my setting powder on, I no longer bake. I just go ahead and press it in with my beauty blender. I don't know why, but I just feel like I get a better finish when I just go ahead and press it in instead of letting it bake.
You with every second, don't second guess tonight. You love him to death, I can bring you back to life. I know why you left, cause he wasn't acting right.
And now we're going to take Urban Decay's Backtalk Palette, and we're going to take Cheap Shot and double take and put those two colors on my cheeks.
This way you wanna be, don't lie. When you nervous, your heart beats so loud. You the only one I see in the whole crowd. I want you to remember me the whole time. Can't let him in my way. Can't let you slip away.
Now we're going to highlight with Party Foul. I'm going to use this angle brush. Ooh, highlight on fleek. Yes, honey.
Don't turn away, don't turn me down. Girl, I spend all my time on your brain. 24/7, make it harder to forget me now. I'm trying to make it harder to forget me now. Forget me.
Now we're going to take NYX Worth the Hype mascara to do my eyelashes.
I'm trying to make it harder to forget me now. I'm trying to make it harder to forget me now. I wanna be everywhere that you turn out. I hate the fact that you didn't get the hint the first time. Girl, I pay attention like you pay ties. I know how to fix it when you break down. That's just another expectation. I live up.
I really like this mascara because it makes my eyelashes look bomb, y'all. Like bomb AF.
Mix up.
Now I'm going to use Urban Decay eye pencil. And like I said, I know this is eye pencil, but I'm going to use it to line my lips. I know this looks crazy right now, but y'all, it's going to look good at the end. Just wait for it. And I'm also going to take their Vice lipstick. I'm not sure what this color is, but like I said, I'll let you guys know everything in the description box. I'm going to put that all over my lips. And really, I'm just mixing the two colors together. And it's going to create a beautiful shade at the end.
I'm trying to make it harder to forget me now. I wanna make it harder to forget me now. How can I make it harder to forget me now? I ain't letting up, don't let me down. Don't turn away, don't turn me down. Girl, I'll spend all my time on your brain. 24/7, make it harder to forget me now. I'm trying to make it harder to forget me now. Forget me.
So y'all remember when I said that my eyebrows ain't gonna be looking ashy at the end? So this is what I mean. So now you're just gonna brush out the ash and get the Worth the Hype mascara, and basically you're gonna, this is like eyebrow gel to me. I just use the mascara instead. And then I'm just gonna brush them out, and boom. Now I'm just going to finish with NYX Matte Finish Spray. And there you have it, all done. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!